Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making chicken parmesan. Okay, so I'm just seasoning the chicken. Okay, so now I'm just going to be mixing everything up really well. Then I'm going to be putting each piece in the flour and then into the oil. Now it's time to turn the chicken over. Okay, so once I was done frying all the chicken, I just went ahead and put some Prego sauce on them. And then I'm going to add some cheese and put it in the oven. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos when I post.